A woman will never fully open up, connect deeply, or give her entire heart to a man she doesn't feel safe with. Not physically safe, emotionally safe. This kind of safety is rare, and it has nothing to do with money, looks, or even how long you've been together. It's about whether or not her nervous system can relax in your presence, whether she feels seen, heard, and understood, without having to explain her entire soul to you every time. A woman may stay with a man who lacks emotional intelligence, but she will never fully surrender. So if you want a relationship that thrives, not just survives, then this video is for you. Let's break down what emotional safety looks like in real time, and what kind of man creates it. 1. She feels emotionally safe when you regulate your own emotions. It doesn't matter how much she loves you, if your emotions are volatile, unpredictable, or reactive. She will subconsciously brace herself around you. The truth is, most women don't leave men because of one big explosive event. They leave because of the daily buildup of walking on eggshells. Emotional safety means that when you're triggered, you know how to pause. You don't lash out, shut down, or guilt trip her for your own discomfort. You process things. You take a breath. You speak with intention instead of impulse. That regulation builds trust, not just because you're calm, but because you're consistent. Women need to know that the emotional climate of the relationship won't feel like a roller coaster, and the man who can sit with his own anger, hurt, or insecurity without projecting it all onto her, that man becomes a sanctuary, not a storm. 2. She feels emotionally safe when you listen without needing to fix her. So many men hear a woman's pain and immediately try to solve it. Not because they don't care, but because that's how they're wired. Men are problem solvers. But what most women want is not a solution. It's presence. It's being able to share her feelings without being rushed out of them. Emotional safety means she can express sadness, frustration, anxiety, and you don't minimize it, redirect it, or make it about you. You hold space. You validate. You let her finish the sentence without interrupting. And most importantly, you don't get defensive. When a woman says, "I feel like you don't hear me," and your first response is, "That's not true," you're not listening. You're reacting. And reactions kill emotional safety. Presence protects it, because it shows her that her emotions aren't a burden. They're welcome. 3. She feels emotionally safe when your words match your energy. Women have an incredible radar for emotional inconsistency. You can tell her you love her, but if your tone is cold and your body is distant, she'll feel it. Emotional safety isn't just about the right words, it's about the congruence between your mind, your mouth, and your energy. Do you say, "I'm fine," but look like you're emotionally checked out? Do you say, "I care," but disappear when she needs support? Women notice that. And when your words don't match your behavior, they learn not to trust either. Safety comes from clarity, from knowing that what you say is what you mean, from showing up, not just in grand gestures, but in daily consistency. A man who texts, "I'm thinking about you," and follows it with action? That's emotional alignment. And alignment is what builds trust. When a woman feels emotionally safe, she blooms. Fellas, ever seen the shift when she finally relaxes in your presence? Drop a comment if you believe emotional safety is real power. If this video hit home, do 3 things that really help this channel grow. Like the video so more men hear this. Share it with a brother who needs to hear it. And drop your thoughts in the comments. I don't read every single one, but I read many, and I appreciate the real ones who show up. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss content that helps you lead with emotional intelligence and strength. And if you missed the video on why some women only respect you after you walk away, that one dives deeper into masculine self-worth and boundaries, you can find it right here at the end screen.